Yeah, then comes this question, still grade 8 natural sciences. The question says that the pressure of a gas in a container is caused by gas molecules colliding with the walls of the container. For each of the statements below, state whether it is true or false. Okay, the first one says, the bigger the number of gas particles, the higher is the gas pressure. How is it? Is it true or false? It is true. The bigger the number of gas molecules, the highest is the gas pressure. We come to this one then. Pressure of a gas is measured by the pressure gauge. It is also true. This one says, air valve allow air to enter but prevents it from coming out. Is it true or false? It's true. Yeah, you know the valve, like on the tire, car tires. So it allows air to go in, but prevents it from coming out. In other words, the valve allows air to flow in one direction. Okay, then we come to this one. It says that when temperature of a gas is increased, the pressure is decreased. This is false. The truth is, when you increase temperature, the pressure increases. Yeah, this one says, when the temperature of a gas is increased, the pressure increases. Is it true or false? It is true. Then this one, cooling of the gas decreases pressure. And this one is also true. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that state what happens to the gas pressure under each of the following. 1, volume increased. So when the volume is increased, what happens to the gas pressure? Okay, volume increase will result into decrease in pressure because the particles will have bigger space, so there will be less collisions. So answer is decrease in pressure. Okay, then we come here, volume decrease. When you decrease volume, what happens? Pressure increases. So increase in pressure. Why? Because when you decrease volume, the number of particles are now closer and there are higher collisions per second. Okay, gas squeezed. Squeezing of the gas is the same as volume decrease, so it will lead to increase in pressure. Okay, gas heated. When you heat a gas, what happens? What happens is that pressure increases. So increase in pressure. Why? Because heating the gas makes the particles move faster, so making them colliding walls at a faster rate. Okay. So gas cooled. When you cool a gas, what happens to the pressure? It results into decrease in pressure. Okay. Why? Because cooling makes the particles to move slowly. So they'll be colliding the wall at a slow pace. So you come here, number of particles increased. It leads to increase in pressure. Because it will lead to higher number of particles colliding with the wall per second. Then comes here, number of particles decreased. That one will lead to decrease in pressure, because there will be less particles colliding with the wall of the container. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that explain each of the following. 1. When temperature of gas is increased, the pressure increases. How do you explain that? The answer lies in the fact that when temperature increases, it increases the movement of particles. And we know that when the particles are moving faster, they will collide with the walls at a higher rate, leading to high pressure. So then comes this question. It says that when gas in a flexible container is squeezed, pressure increases. Okay. What's the cause of this one? So when gas in a flexible container like plastic bag is squeezed, it means that the volume is decreased. And when the volume is decreased, pressure increases, because now the number of particles are closer. So the number of particles colliding with the wall per unit time is higher. This leads to high pressure. So that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And I would also want to remind you that Physical Sciences Silver Bullet is a YouTube science channel specializing in physical sciences grade 12, 11 and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. We are advising you to make use of our playlist so that you can access easily the material which belongs to your level. Please make use of it. And with that, I can say bye-bye. Stick with us. You won't regret. We are simply the best. See you then.